Hello class, what's up? It's Raj here. Today we are discussing about the class 7, the NCERT and important topics for the final examination. I hope you're doing well. So these are that. We start the topics. So first topic is asexual reproduction and example. What do you mean by asexual reproduction class? Let's talk about it. So it is a mode of reproduction in which the offspring are produced from a single parent without the involvement of gametes. Example, budding in age. So there is the involvement of gametes. In this reproduction, the offspring are produced by the single parent, not a double parent or thrice parent, only a single parent is including only one parent. So the single parent without involvement of gamete. The gamete involvement is not including. So example, budding in yeast is an example of asexual reproduction. So in the case of budding, there we can see that the example are there of the asexual reproduction. After that, next topic, budding in it. So this is the type of asexual reproduction previously in the topics we studied for. After that, budding in is an example of asexual reproduction where a small outgrowth, the small outgrowth या bud forms on the parent cell class. So a small outgrowth या bud form on the parent cell, grows. These are the growth become smaller to larger, and after that eventually develops to form a new individual. So these are the things that develop to form a new individual, not including other, but to smaller to larger. So for example, these are the buds. After that, this will be disattached. This will be detached and become individuals. Two individuals. Two individuals. The two individuals is an example of budding. Okay. So it attaches to form a new individual. That's it. And after that, we are focusing on the unisexual flowers. So in unisexual flowers, have either male or female reproductive organ. For example, papaya and watermelon. So in this, we are study of focusing on that. In unisexual flowers, have either male or female reproductive organ. Either male, either female are there. And after that, the example of unisexual flower is papaya and watermelon. Papaya and watermelon. Watermelon is example of unisexual flower. After that, we are focusing on the bisexual flower. What is by the bisexual flower? Bisexual flowers have both male and female reproductive organs. And after that, the example of that the hibiscus and rose. Hibiscus and rose are example of hibiscus and rose are example of the bisexual flower. So these are the example of the bisexual flower. Class, in the unisexual flowers, there is either male and female gametes are there. Okay. Female reproductive organ are there. But in a case of bisexual flower, there are both are present, male and female reproductive organ in a way. So these are example of that. Hibiscus rosa sinensis and rose are the example of the bisexual flower, and the unisexual example is papaya and watermelon are there. After that class, we are focusing on the pollination. What do you mean by the pollination class? So pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. Anther to stigma of a flower is known as pollination. For example, transfer of pollen from anther to transfer of pollen. Stigma. Pollen means whatever you say. In short, I make this pie chart for you. Transfer of anther, okay, anther to stigma, the pollen grains are known as pollination. Basically, the pollination is the transfer of the pollen from anther to stigma of a flower. Thank you so much.